Brakes are going to be applied 3 times. This is the first one. You can hardly see any change in the B6. There's the second one there. No brighter. Third. These are the settings that I've got enabled, and it does not come on very bright, and it does not change brightness when I apply the brakes. So since then, I've sent the B6 unit, just the light, back to Denali Electronics at my cost, and they said it was covered under warranty, so they gave me an RMA number. And since then, once they received it, even though it's out of stock on the Revzilla and the Cycle Gear websites, as well as on the Twisted Throttle website, they must have some stock back in their warehouse for warranty purposes. So they sent me another unit here. So let's open the box and see what's inside. I do have the installation of the B6 in a separate video, and I'll put the link in the description below. Here you can see this is the light. I don't know if there's any wiring or anything inside, but let's open it up and see. Let's see. Oh, just the light, the wire that comes with it, and some extra wiring. So it looks like a whole, this is the whole kit. Let's see what it says here. Does it say anything? I don't recall. I don't think that it comes with anything else. Oh, the contents are on the side. B6 light, wiring, pigtail, posi-tap connectors, and mounting hardware. There's a part number. I don't need any of this because the wiring is all set up already, so I just gotta install that. And to do that, I've got to take this off, mount it at the bottom here, of course, and run it behind here, up and underneath here, back, and plug it back in there. So before I do that, what I'll do is I'll hook it up, you know, outside before I install it, and make sure that that light is nice and bright before I put it on. It should be, because I mean it's brand new. Last time I labeled this B6 just to make sure that I don't get anything mixed up. So now the B6 is plugged in, as you can see, and I'll just reach over and turn the light on, turn the bike on, I should say, and see what happens. Wow! Definitely there was something wrong with that old one. This thing is bright. Now, if you recall from the settings, I do have it turned on to 100%, so it's pretty bright. Let's activate the front brake. Yeah. Yep, it's doing the right thing. Foot brake, of course, same thing. Perfect. So this is exactly what I want. And so I'll go ahead and install it on the license plate now. I'm happy. B6 is installed once again. Let's go turn it on, see how she looks. There we go. Yep, big difference from before. It's brighter than that one there. Excellent. Good for Denali Electronics to come through, honor the warranty, and give me a replacement now that's as bright as heck. After an upgrade to the EasyCan software, I've got it set there on 10% running light intensity, 100% brake light intensity, and this is how it looks. So they're about even. So running lights is 10%, and brake lights is, when the brake light is applied, is 100%. Excellent. Anyway, that's it. So the fix for the B6 is complete. Thanks for watching.